Hey, what's up guys? It was just yesterday when we find out that Vivo is expected to announce the V9 for the Indian market on March 27, and today we are already ready to leak the live images showing the device. The first time we saw the V9 was in Billboard in Indonesia in Feb, but these pictures give us a much better idea of what to expect design-wise. The notch is there, even if it's hard to see in the first shows. Take a look at the last blurry one if you are not convinced of the notch existence. The handset also has a dual camera setup mounted vertically because now that's Apple's gone this route with the iPhone X. It seems like that's the way to go. The screen of the V9 definitely has a button bezel, but it is a quite small, thus its fingerprint sensor is on the back. There is also a 3.5mm headset jack on the bottom side of the Vivo V9 next to what disappointingly looks like a micro USB port. The phone has an all-metal build with barely visible antenna lines. The Vivo V9 will ship with a 24-megapixel selfie camera as well as a hybrid slot of dual SIMs or one SIM and one micro SD card. Its price in India will allegedly be around 25,000 INR.